We'll guide you through how to copy and paste text on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because then you can easily go and move text from one place to another. It saves you having to go and type it. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure it's a full guide and don't skip ahead. First of all, we need to go to where the text currently is, whether that's on a website or it could be elsewhere. So you could go into a web browser and do that. In this case though, I'm going to come into Docs here. I'll come into this document and I want to go and copy all of this. So what you can do is go and tap and hold on one of the words. I'll just go and start with GuideRealm as that's the start. It'll then go and select it. If I wanted to select more before it, I'd use the toggle at the start, but I want to do after it, so I use it at the end. So I can then tap and hold that and start selecting what I want. I can quickly drag down to speed it up. With it selected, you can then go and press copy. Now, what you can do is go to where you want to go and paste it. I could go and create a new document in this case. Then to go and paste, what you need to do is go and tap on the flashing line. And you may just tap again, and then we can go and press paste. And there it is. So of course, you can go and do different amounts of it. Leave a like if you found this useful.